Hi guys, you are welcome to another video on how to trade forex. Today we'll be looking at how you can successfully trade gold XAUSD on the 15 minutes time frame. I have on my screen, I have XAUSD on 15 minutes time frame, and the window is divided into uh, four windows. Okay, the chart is divided into four windows. I have my main chart to be this is my main chart. Okay, this indicator window one. This is my indicator window one. My indicator window two is right here. It's my indicator window two, and this is my indicator window three, which is the last window at the bottom. So how can you use this strategy to trade gold effectively? All right, so on the main chart I have some indicators. Okay, I have Ichimoku. This is my main chart. I have Ichimoku, and I have moving averages. All right, so if price on the main chart, if price cross above all indicators, that's my cross above all indicators and closed and then start to develop, that is my buy signal, time to buy. So I'll scalp some profit. Okay, if I place a buy trade here, you can see our price went up, should be above all indicators. Okay, that's my buy signal. So still on the main chart, like you have around here, you see price dropping below all indicators. Most importantly, you see the moving averages in the Ichimoku cloud. Then price drops, and as price drops, it goes back into the cloud and drops, more like a retest, and the final drop below the previous lows. Like you have the previous lows around this line. So that is my sell signal, and then you can see what happened, how it all panned out. Price went down. So the idea is it drops below the moving averages, preferably stays in the Ichimoku cloud as price drops. The price retests and then drops below the lows. You can see three lows around here: one, two, three, four lows around here. Then you can see a close below that low, just above the uh, uh, just above the shape around here. Then you can sell confidently and then make some profit. So that's for sell signal. Let's still check how we can. Okay, another sell signal here. You see price dropping. There's an initial drop here, a rise, then a drop. Okay, and then you can see price, forming lower lows are just about around here. Okay, that's the time to. This is about the time to sell. Okay, let's see. We got another drop. You can see the drop here of price, and then you can see price dropping and closing below the previous low. Okay, and that's the perfect time to sell. Okay, you can look, if you look at what is happening in the Ichimoku cloud, the moving averages are above or within the Ichimoku cloud at the point of dropping of price. Then there's a retest, and then there's a further drop. Okay, making lower lows. Then that's the time for you to sell. Okay, this is a time for you to buy. It's a time for you to buy. You can see the moving average is below the Ichimoku cloud. Okay, and price rises, tested back, tested the it drops to test the cloud and the moving average before making higher high. Okay, you have a high around here, then a higher high, the close above the high, previous high, more like a retest. Then that's time to buy. Okay, this is another time to sell. Okay, this is another time to sell. Okay, you can scalp sell around here. A drop, you see a drop of price, then it enters back into the cloud and then drops further, then close below the previous low. It's a time to place a sell trade or scalp some trade. This is a time to buy. though we do not have a retest. We don't have a retest around here, but it's a perfect time to buy. Okay, it's a time to sell. Okay, a small drop of price below the moving averages, and you can see the moving averages are within the cloud, just about the time of the drop, the first small drop, then a much more bigger or better drop below the previous low. That's the time to sell. Though by the time you dropped here and then retested the moving average, you can see it drops further. That's the time to sell. Just scalp sell some pips and then you are good. This is a time to buy. Okay, you can see price dropping to test the moving averages and the cloud, then forms higher high. Okay, and then higher low. All right, so that's the time to buy and can see what happened. Price bought. So that's about how to use the uh, indicators on the main chart. Let's look at the settings for the indicators. We have fractals to highlight the low or the high. Okay, support or resistance points. Now this moving average, we have 49 period. Period is 49, shift is 0. Method is linear weight applied to close. Color is blue. All right, another moving average 53, period is 53, shift is 0, method is exponential, applied to close, color is red. And then another moving average, period is 50, shift is 0, method is exponential, applied to close, color is red. Then we have the Ichimoku Tenkan Sen is 9, Kijun Sen is 26, Senkan Span B is 52. Okay, the up Kumo, down Kumo colors are purple. So that's that for the indicators on the main chart. Now for the indicator window one, okay, if the MACD lines, these are the MACD lines, if it forms above the 0 level as a time to buy, and also the Bollinger Band upper, line, okay, upper Bollinger crosses as just about the time the MACD forms above the 0 level. That's a good time to buy. Okay, a good time to sell is when you have reverse of the case of buy, just about the lower band, and the lower band is crossing the 0 MACD level, and also the MACD lines are forming below, bars are forming below the 0 level. That's a good time to sell. So just that combination of that with the upper charts can guide you on how to use those set of indicators. Now let's look at the indicator settings. We have MACD fast EMA to be 12, slow EMA to be 26, MACD SMA to be 9, apply to close, color is red. Then for the Bollinger Bands, we have period to be 20, deviation to be 2.02, shift is 0, apply to first indicators data, and the color is gray. Okay, so that's that for indicator window 1. For indicator window 2, this is the simplest, when the red line crosses above the green line, just like you have around here. It's time to buy. When it crosses below, when it crosses above, time to buy. When it crosses below, time to sell. Like this is time to sell. Okay, so you just to combine all the signals on all the windows for you to have a perfect scalp signal. Okay, buy, sell, buy, sell. When red line crosses above, it's time to buy. When red line crosses below, it's time to sell. So combination of these with all other windows will give you a very sharp or perfect or near perfect signal. Let's look at the parameters. Okay, percentage K period for the stochastic oscillator is 185. Percentage D period is 90. Slowing is 2. Price field is close over close. Method is simple. Okay. Okay, for the levels we have 75, 25, 74, 24. Color is black. Okay, for the alligator we have jaws period to be 13, jaws shift to be 8, teeth 5, lips 5, lips 3, Our method is exponential. Apply the first indicator's data. Just star color is green. Leap star color is red. So that's that for indicator window 2. For indicator window 3, okay, that's for your trend indicator. You have the downtrend signal of the start of the downtrend when the red line crosses down below the uh, blue and the black lines. Okay, signal for uptrend is where your red line crosses up above the blue or the black lines. So a combination of all these, like look at what happened around here. It's time to buy. Okay, and then look at what happened around here. Time to sell. Okay, so you have the sharp combination of all the signals. Okay, you can just take some pips and then you are good and fine. Scalp some pips and you are good and fine. So that's that for the strategy. Make sure you backtest it on a demo account first. Okay, don't learn a new strategy online and then you start to use it on your live account. It can blow your account. Try it out on demo account first. Do you like it? If you like it, then you can go ahead on the live account and trade with real money. Okay, so that's that for the video. Please subscribe. Click the subscribe button if you have not subscribed to this channel. Click the subscribe button. Click the like button if you like the video. If you enjoyed, click the like. Go ahead and press the like button. Also drop comments, ask questions, say something nice below the video. Okay, you can also click the bell button for notification when we release another video so that you get to be notified. Okay, you can go to our website www.beanfxtrader.com for you to learn more on how to trade forex and volatility index. Another website of ours, fxfables.com, which will also teach you on how to trade. Till I come your way next time, it's bye for now.